And this is it. This is the moment where it all begins. Up here in Golders Hill Park.
In the leafy suburbs of North London called Hampstead, close to a tube station by Golders Green.
My friend here, Robert, he lives around here. I don't particularly live around here.
Could be a bit dark for these. You just want to walk somewhere else.
Look at someone.
You don't want to get stuck in heat.
Just basking the view here. You get a nice little monument over there. What is it, a cube? 4 holes, 3 holes, yeah, 4 holes. Damn. You can see the hill over there, or hope you can. And then again, there's the deers over there, lonely as they are. Once again, a better shot of that monument. 4 holes or 3 holes, I can't particularly tell, but it definitely looks some sort of postmodern kind of thing of a jig that you would want to think about at 4 a.m. in the middle of the morning before you go to bed. Or yeah, don't know if I want to think about that too much. I think it scares the living daylight out of me, but this little lake part around this side and a bit of a unknown part around that side. Obviously you get the traditional birds. They're always there, lurking and swimming, waiting for food or just lurking. But you do get birds around here quite often. They're not on. Then we reach the garden part over here. What does this entail? Wow, nice little pagoda. Ooh, sort of another friendly selection of birds over there, saying hi to us. Not a vegetarian per se, but I wouldn't want to eat these guys, they're a bit too friendly. Okay, another little enclave here. Trees and branches bursting out. Well, a couple of leaves over here and a bench over there if you need to sit down. I think my friend Robert here is trying to enjoy this. Perfect for the occasion. Perfect to take out a date here. And a perfect place to have a kiss. Underneath a branch. Looking over there. There you are. And oh, there's a nice little monument over there.
The dead fish being held by the boy is otherwise known as the Waterboy Fountain, made by a sculptor called Bainbridge Copnell in 1950.
Some fish. Or was it the birds? I don't know. We're still here. Just trying to absorb this. Absorb the atmosphere. Absorb everything we can. I'm not sure what the animal rights activists have to say about this, but this definitely looks like one happy bugger. Okay, so we're still proceeding with our walk, but we found something very interesting. And this is a monument of the girl of the Golders Hill Park. Let's just sink this memory for one moment. Some sandals there, probably overlooking the hill over there with a bit of trees in the distance, but yeah, the girl of Golders Hill. Could she be the founder? Could she be someone of importance, interest, or someone of higher value?
This sculpture was made by a sculptress called Patricia Finch in the 50s. Unfortunately, someone stole her sandals in 2003. However, a replica has since been made and security has been stepped up. And for your peace of mind, my friend Robert is also acting as my personal security.
All perched up, one by one, ready to prepare, ready to conceive, and ready to enjoy the moment in life. Not quite the Garden of Eden, but definitely does give off a kind of energy, a vibe as you walk through this place. Oh, look at that. We've been joined. You can see a monument over there in the distance. Just passing this bush and a bin. Let's go for it. There we are. Man holding a cup, drinking something from it. But we're gonna have to Google him, whoever he is.
We are looking at the statue of the ancient Greek philosopher Diogenes, made by the sculptor Mark Batten. Diogenes was known for his cynicism and simplicity, as epitomized by his cup.
So we're going to exit the park now. One of the exits of Golders Hill, that is. This fantastic looking tree looks like it's giving off something. We're approaching the Heath Extension, as it's otherwise known as. So there's just that extra little bit more of green, a bit more of trees, a bit more of fresh oxygen, and more happiness for the tree huggers out there and the environmentalists, or as some would say,
mentalists.
Getting a bit dark here for a March night, 6 or 7 p.m. Can't particularly remember, although I should have a watch and the phone should usually say. But we're at a small little park thing over here with some trees ahead, some little seesaws. What's it called? Little swings. One for the peoples, one for the kids. But yeah, such is my life, walking around Hampstead Heath Extensions and Golders Hill Parks. But I'm going to still momentarily reflect upon these things, because let's be honest, we all have been on one of those things before, and it was fun times as a child. So wherever you're watching, whoever you are, or how many ever genders you're counting in the whatever the consensus you guys do, or girls, or any of the alphabets, you can just understand that we've all been here. Most of us, though, we've all used one of those things, and we all know what it was like to be young. Vlog's coming to an end. I'm here still with Robert, Cochin, relaxing, wondering what I must say. But this is my first video, huh? How about that? Maybe 1 view there, 10 views the next day, 20 views the next week.
Another 50 more, 2 weeks' time. Another 7 more in 4 weeks' time.
This is the beginning of me, my vlogging channel. If you're there and you're watching, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, because if you do like these videos and you do subscribe to them, I'm pretty sure
Yes, it's true. I do have a bit of a midlife crisis on the way, but I'd like to thank you guys and girls for making it this far. So join me again as I ramble, as I meander, as I inspire to show you the sublime beauty of our city. My name is Sunny, and welcome to my channel. Thank you. Most importantly, I'm thankful for meeting some of the friends today, even if they are from a different species.